All right, so in this video, I want to show you how you can get a link to be able to share the gift cards and be able to sell them wherever you need to sell them, whether it's a website, whether it's through social media. But there is a link that you can provide to your clients, your customers, or leads, or anybody that else that's a part of your community, your group. You can provide them with a link so that way they can purchase gift cards. Here is how you get there. So if you go to payments on the menu and then you go to gift cards here at the top. Okay, so we have our list of gift cards here. If you want to be able to sell them, there's a button down here at the bottom that says sell. So we're going to click on sell. All right, let's actually go to a different one. Let's go to one that you can actually see because I was testing the background colors and stuff. So okay, so we have our sale button. We clicked on that, and then there are different sections that we have. So this section is for you to be able to share the link. So here is the link that is created for you. You can copy it by clicking on the two box buttons right here. If you see my cursor in the very middle of the screen here, you can copy it like that. If you want to just highlight it and copy it using your keyboard or your mouse, you can do that as well. But that's how you get the link, and you can post this link anywhere. Now, if you want to be able to create a image of it and be able to actually post it on your site or wherever you need this to go, there's also a embed code. This embed code right here, if you put this script in, either there's if you have like a drag and drop feature, you can just click on the embed code feature or um, anywhere where you can put in your codes and you can just right click to copy it and then paste it in where you need it to go. But for the ones that don't allow you to do this, you need to make sure that you're placing this in the right place. Either way, this goes into where your codes are. You can put this in where the HTML codes are, and you can place it there. This is how it will look when you place it. So you can click here. Um, this actually tells you which one you want to select. If you have multiples here, it'll give you multiple options to select. Here is where you can test out what the checkout link looks like. You can click the test mode checkout link, and then it populates into this page. So this is where you can actually make the purchase from. So this is just a test right here, but there are different options in here for you to be able to make the purchase. This is how it looks. Um, for Let's go back to this. I also want to show you what the different options look like if you have different sale options. So if I click on sale here on this gift card, as you see, I have multiple options here that you can select for this particular gift card. So right now, if I clicked on 30, it's worth $30. If it's a $40 gift card, it's worth 40. If it's 60, it's 60. It's also worth that much as well too when you purchase it. So here's the checkout link again. So now when I click on 60, if I'm purchasing a $60 gift card, of course I'm having to pay $60 for it. Um, it also shows you the name, the message also that you put in there. And if you need to go back and edit this, you can also go back to that specific gift card and edit that to make sure you have everything that looks like you want it to. All right. So that's how you make that available for purchase. And then you got to take a look at what the checkout link looks like to make sure that you're satisfied with that as well too. All right.